Remove red eye from photo with PhotoPad. Open your image in PhotoPad. Go to the Retouch tab and click the red eye button. Then, paint over the red eyes in the photo to correct the color. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to remove red eye from your photo using PhotoPad. To correct red eye in photos, start by opening your image in PhotoPad. Navigate to the Retouch tab and click the red eye button. This will display the red eye layer under the Effects and Layers section. The brush tool is automatically selected, allowing you to paint over the red eyes in the photo. You can adjust the brush size using the slider. Move it to the left to make the brush smaller, or to the right to make it larger. Continue painting over the eyes until the redness disappears. If you accidentally paint over the wrong area, click the eraser button and paint over the unwanted area to remove it. If you want to start over, click the reset button to restore the original image. For more PhotoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.